Hello viewers, sometimes we are given a slide or a photo in PowerPoint which is highly congested and text readability is become very difficult. So today I am going to share you 3 methods how you can show your text more readable. So let's go and watch it on the screen. Now the 2 slides are in front of us which is highly congested. So what we do, go to insert and text box. So we write the 2 things we do is one, increase the font or change the color, but it's hardly visible. So let's go and change the first text. Click the picture, go to format, correction, soften, /sharpen up to 25%. Now the picture would be a little blurred. So it's more visible than the previous one. So let's go and use the second method. Now let's come to insert and then shape, pick this rectangle or whatever you would like, place it on the text. Now drag it a little down and click the text box and right click, bring to the front. Now take the box upon the text and right click format, text format. Now go to line, no line, and also give it a color, preferably white. Then we will also choose or change the transparency level. Now let's go and display it how it looks like. It's more readable. Now display is okay. Let's go for third option. So simply go and click the text, right click, text format, and go to text option. Now text effect or A, then go to select glow, choose maximum glow at lower right corner. In my case it's 18 point. Now we will simply select color, preferably white color, and we will also change the transparency level up to preferably 0. Now transparency level is 0 and size means size of glow. Adjust it where you wish your text is fit. It's best up to 24, and now it's done. Copy it and copy paste on another slide. So now simply let's see the entire screen. It's quite readable easily, and now in the maximum best shape, click the picture, go to format, correction, and bring the picture to its original or make it maximum sharp. And now this is optimally readable text. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.